2018 in New Delhi at Krishna Car Garage, which is the one of the oldest in New Delhi, Connaught Place. And Gyan Sharma is the pride honor of this singer 1936.
Co-owner.
There's no difference between the brothers, so I take this way. So I came last time and Gyan about 4 weeks back.
Correct.
And I gave you this spark plug in
Yes.
good faith because I wanted to install in the classic car.
Correct.
So tell me your first reaction when you saw the plug.
Well, when I received the spark plug and I just opened it and saw this, as a layman could see, and it was nothing very wonderful. Yeah, a little complicated design though, but it looked. I was not damn serious about this. That it will work or it will prove itself what it is. Then I installed these plugs in this car, and when we used to start the car in normal spark plug, we couldn't sit here in 2-3 minutes. It used to get choked because of the rich mixture and all. But now the same car, it stayed start for almost 15 minutes, and we were sitting there.
And I was sitting with you,
Yes.
inhaling a little bit, by the way. But I think I'm really excited about it. Thank you
Right.
for your, honest
No,
feedback.
So it's not a joke, and it's
Yeah.
really something serious.
And because this is coming from a 40 years or 35 years experienced guy in this industry, and it makes me feel better that we are doing something right.
Correct.
Yeah. And
All the best for
Gyan,
this.
this is the plug, and
Yeah.
thank you so much. I really appreciate. And his pride honor, I forgot to mention that he's the pride honor. Both brothers work very hard, and I know them for the last 42-43 years. And that was your really honest opinion, and you expressed that after the fact. And I'm happy it's working. And Carl started, okay?
Even I am.
So Gyan is going to test the
Yes.
UC emissions later, and we'll get
Definitely.
the feedback later with a bite, whatever.
I will be testing in 2 cars.
Yeah.
No.
And you know the
One
average
is
of this
older.
car? Miles per how many? About
It
kilometers?
gives around 10, around 9-10.
9-10. What if it gives 13?
Well, definitely, I think the kind of behavior it is, it should.
Thank you. And here we sign off, and here's the beauty. And I think I'm going to stand.
Yeah.
So here's Gyan. I'm with this classic car, and I promise to drive. You promise to let me drive in India Gate one day.
Definitely. Positive.
By the way, this is the first car we installed
It
in
will
New
be
Delhi.
a non-polluting car driven around.
Yes. This is the first car in New Delhi we installed in classic car, and I think this will be a history.
Yes.
This plug is going to make a history because every car in the world will have this spark plug in the next 10 years.
I don't know about the world, but if it is successful in this car,
It will be successful.
the people in vintage motoring will be
Thrilled
more
to see.
excited and thrilled.
So that's wonderful. And you can install all that.
Correct.
Thank you so much. I really
Welcome.
appreciate.